everyone, this is Gul Lingua. Once again, we are back with the very same topic, that is preposition. But this time we would be discussing about the 8 preposition, as we are already done with the preposition on and in. So if we translate this word 8 in Urdu, so it means per, किसी चीज़ पर. So the first context to use the 8 is to indicate the location, but here the location would be specific. That would not be the large space or something like in we have discussed in the case of the inn. Here the location is specific. For example, Ali will meet you at the corner of Main Street. Everything is clarified, everything is specific, that Ali will not be available at any other point. He would be at the corner of the main street. Consider the second example. The hostel is at street 2. Hostel specifically it's mentioning its location, that the hostel is specifically at street 2. It will not be at any other point. Its position, its location is specific. इसकी लोकेशन जो है वो बिल्कुल पर्टिकुलर है, स्पेसिफिक है, स्ट्रीट 2 में है हॉस्टल और किसी जगह पे नहीं है. Okay, the second usage of the 8 preposition is with the indication of the time, but here again the time would be specific. Time would be specifically mentioned over here. For example, I will meet you at 5 p.m. It means वो पूरे 5 बजे ही मैं आपसे मिलूँगी, ना पहले मिलूँगी ना बाद में. Specifically the time is mentioned over here, that he would be meeting at 5 p.m. not at any other point, not at any other time. Specifically he or she would be meeting him or her at 5 p.m. The concert will start at 8 p.m. The concert's starting time is mentioned over here, that is 8 p.m. Specifically they are talking about the time in a very specific way as 8 p.m. not 9 p.m., not any other time. They are not mentioning that the concert will start in the morning or something like that. They are specifically mentioning the time. So for the specific point of the time, we would be using the preposition 8 as it's used in these two examples. The third usage is in relation to the direction. It is used to indicate the direction towards a specific point. Now, again, the direction is also specifically mentioned with the help of the usage, with the help of the preposition 8. The ball is thrown at target. The ball is thrown at target. The ball is thrown, that is not the case. The ball is thrown at the target. A specific, particular direction is mentioned over here, कि टारगेट पे ही बॉल फेंकी गई है, किसी और जगह पे नहीं फेंकी गई. She is looking at the picture. She is looking at the picture. She is looking at the picture. वो कहाँ देख रही है, वो पर्टिकुलरली स्पेसिफिकली शी इज़ लुकिंग एट द पिक्चर. वो पिक्चर की तरफ देख रही है, तस्वीर देख रही है, उसकी तरफ देख रही है और किसी जगह पे नहीं देख रही. Now the fourth usage of preposition 8 is in relation to the events. For example, just have a context to understand it. Indicates attendance or the participation of an event. Now this particular context is indicating the attendance or the participation in a event. किसी इवेंट में किसी इंसान की पार्टिसिपेशन या उसकी अटेंडेंस को मार्क करने के लिए भी हम 8 का प्रीपोजिशन यूज़ करेंगे. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, जो भी ऊपर वाली डेफिनेशंस हैं वो एग्जांपल्स के बगैर अंडरस्टैंडेबल नहीं है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर अगेन एंड अगेन कंसिडरिंग the different types of the examples in order to clarify all the concepts relevant to all the prepositions. So consider the example. I will see you at the party. I will see you at the party. Here the attendance is marked. Attendance is indicated with the help of the preposition 8. I will see you at the party. Now consider the second one. She is speaking. at the conference, it means she is participating at the conference. Again, the participation is indicated with the help of preposition at. So these are the contexts of in which we use the preposition at, and these are almost, we have covered all the contexts in which the at preposition is utilized. So consider more examples and go through this video again and again as you can clarify your concepts. That's all from our side. And if you have any question if you are having any question that is relevant to the preposition at, on, in, or any other preposition, just mention it in the comment box, and I would be replying. Thank you for